Glass beads. Junda Industrial Technology Co. Ltd. was established in 2005. Our major product is glass beads. We can produce different road marking glass beads, sandblasting glass beads, and grinding glass beads based on different requirements of customers and according to the standard of different countries and regions, such as European Standard EN 1423 and EN 1424. American Standard AASHTO M247 Type 1 and Type 2, British Standard BS 6088 Class A and B, Japanese Standard JIS R3301, Korea Standard KSL 2521 number 1 and 2, and so on. Any need, we are waiting for your inquiry. Welcome send to our email dora@jnjunda.com.